Let's solve this equation. We have the absolute value is equal to another absolute value. To solve this equation, remove the absolute value bars and set up two equations. The first equation is 5x minus 7 is equal to 6x minus 1. And for the second equation, put a negative on one of the sides. I will put a negative on the right side. So 5x minus 7 is equal to, put a negative and use the parentheses, so the negative is applied to the entire right side, not just 6x. So be sure you use the parentheses. Very good, very good. Now let's solve these equations. Solve however you're comfortable with. I'm going to have x on the right side, so I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. 5x minus 5x will give me 0. On the left, I will have negative 7 is equal to 6x minus 5x is 1x, or just x, minus 1. Adding 1 to both sides. Negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. And on the right, I have negative 1 plus 1 will give me 0. So on the right, I have x. So the first solution is x equals negative 6. That's our first solution. Now let's solve the second equation. Look here, we are going to distribute this negative. We can think of it as negative 1 times everybody in the parentheses. So let's distribute negative 1. 5x minus 7 is equal to negative 1 times 6x will be negative 6x. Negative 1 times negative 1 will be plus 1, will be positive 1. Very good. So be careful with those negatives. Very good. Now, let's have x on the left side. So solve it however you're comfortable. I'm going to add 6x to both sides. 5x plus 6x, I have 11x. Minus 7 is equal to negative 6x plus 6x will go away. It will be 0. And on the right, I will have 1. Adding 7 to both sides, we have 11x is equal to negative 7 plus 7 will give us 0. And on the right, we will have 8. Very good. Dividing both sides by 11. And x becomes 8/11. This is our second solution. So this equation has two solutions. X equals negative 6 and x equals 8/11. These solutions, they both check out. I hope this is helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe and ask questions in the comments. Keep up the good work.